how to create Perfect Money account. Yes, Perfect Money is one of the platforms that can help you to make payments on the internet. So if you're someone who always do your business on the internet, I recommend Perfect Money as one of the best platforms for you. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create your Perfect Money account. Now, you can just go to any browser and then you just type perfectmoney.com, and you get to this interface now. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. So there's a welcome to a new generation of internet payment system. So this platform is all about what? Internet payment. You are going to make your payment or to any service or anything that you are going to buy through this platform, and it is what? Electronically. Okay, now let me take you through how this app is all about. So Perfect Money is a leading financial service allowing users to make instant payments and make money transfer uh, securely through the internet, opening unique of opportunities to internet users and owners of the internet business. So this is what this platform is about. So let me take you through how you can create your account. So on your first time, this is what sign up. So you just sign up if you have an account. I already created an account, but I'll just show you how to go about it on the how you create your account. Then after that, I'll just log into my account. Okay. So when you get here, you just okay. Let me go to sign up. Here you click here to sign up. Okay, so when you click here, these are the things that you are going to see. You see account name, that is the name that you want the account either. So example is what Daniel's account, ABC or Car International. So you just pick any name that you want. So I will say okay, and then when you come here you enter your full name, and then you enter the city you find yourself, your address, the country you are, your postal code, email address. Now, this email address must be an authentic email address that you are using, because a mail will be sent to you for you to verify your account. And then your phone number should be here. And then we have two types of account: business account and then the personal account. So if you are creating for a business, you just hit on business. If you are creating for personal, you use to click on personal account. Then after that, here you just come here and enter your password. After you enter the password, you just have to confirm your password. Now this is a place that is somehow difficult. It's not all that difficult to do. Here, turning numbers. So you just have to make sure that you type these numbers here. Okay, so you have to make sure that if the numbers is not clear, you just go to top and then refresh the page. Just type these numbers. After that, you agree to their terms. Make sure you read the terms and conditions of this website before you agree. Then after that, you hit on register. Now, when you hit on register, you will get a mail. A mail will be sent to your email address, and you see verification number there. So you are going to use that number to log into your account. So when you go to your email address, you will see member ID. Member ID, so that sorry, so that member ID is what you are going to use to log in into your account. So you just go here, member ID, and then you hit on your password. So you type your member ID here, and then you type your password. Then you turn in. You just make sure that you enter these digits here. And then after that, you hit on authorization. Then after that, you're good to go. Your account is now set, and you can make your payments through any of the platform or anything that you wish to buy, or any payment or money that you want to send to a friend who is on this platform. If today is your first time watching my video, thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.